What's going on, everybody? Tom here with Keto Lifestyle, and welcome to another video review today. Now today I'm reviewing a product that I've been looking for a long time and I'm very excited to try, and that is the Rebel Creamery Ice Cream. As you guys know, a lot of the true keto options for ice cream I have been very unimpressed with. You guys saw my video review for the Killer Creamery. Wasn't a big fan. Things like Halo Top are good, but if you look at the ingredients, they're actually not really all that keto friendly. So they are low carb, but again, not super keto. So what I have here is I have the 4 flavors that my local Whole Foods had of the Rebel Creamery. We've got the vanilla, the chocolate, the cookie dough, and the peanut butter fudge. And as you can see on the front, this one's 5, 6, 7, and 8 carbs for the entire pint. That is pretty awesome to me that, I can eat this whole thing for 8 net carbs. Awesome. Not that I would, but I could. So first, let's go through and check out all the ingredients. Now, I'm not going to go through each and every one of them because that would be pointless, but just to give you guys an idea of what's in there, and you can research the specific one that you're interested in. So first things first, we'll look at the vanilla. Ingredients in here, we've got cream, water, erythritol, chicory root fiber, egg yolk, milk protein isolate, vegetable glycerin, vanilla extract, carob gum, guar gum, monk fruit. Sounds pretty keto to me. Now we look at the macros on there, 14 grams of fat, 10 total carbs, of which 2 are fiber and 7 are sugar alcohol, and 2 grams of protein. And that is for a half a cup serving, and there are 4 servings in the pint. So that does make out to be the 5 net carbs per pint. So let's go ahead and give this one a taste real quick. Now I have had this sitting out for about 15-20 minutes, so it is a little bit soft, and that's pretty much how I like it. Now I like that one far better than the Killer Whey, but I still think Halo Tops tastes a little bit better. It is a little bit fluffy, but the vanilla is nice, and I don't know, I find it to be pleasant, but it is not my favorite, low carb ice cream. But in terms of keto options, that is far better than the Killer Creamery one that I tried. Moving on to the chocolate. Again, the ingredients look pretty much the same, just a little bit more carby on this one. Let's give the chocolate a taste. Okay, that one is legitimately good. I would take that over a regular chocolate ice cream any day of the week. That one is fantastic. Moving on to the cookie dough. Got myself a nice chunk of cookie dough and some chocolate chips, so let's give that a shot. Also, very, very good, guys. I'm a big fan of this one. The ingredient list on this one is a lot longer than the other two because of the cookie dough in there. But it looks like the cookie dough chunks are an almond flour base. There is some palm oil in there. I don't know how you guys feel about that, but I'm not too worried about it. Everything else, yeah, it still looks keto friendly. So I'm actually so far very, very pleased with Rebel Creamery. Moving on to the last one I have, this is the most carby. So the whole pint is 8 net carbs. But hey, you eat a quarter of the pint, that's 2 net. Who cares? Now this is the peanut butter fudge version. So let's give this a taste. Now these have all been sitting out the same amount of time, and this one is, if you can tell, a little bit more flaky, kind of like the Killer Whey was, where it's not creamy, it's kind of, you guys can see what's going on there. But in your mouth, texturally, it does taste like ice cream. I'm not sure why it doesn't scoop the same as the other stuff, but once you get it in your mouth, it tastes great. Very strong peanut butter flavor. Don't get so much of the fudge, but there are chocolate chunks in there. I'd kind of call this like a peanut butter cup ice cream as opposed to like a peanut butter fudge, because I was expecting that kind of gooey, fudgy texture, and it's just not really there. But it is peanut butter with chocolate chunks in there. So what is my overall opinion on this ice cream? First of all, I didn't go through every ingredient on every pint for you guys. You can look them up yourself if you're interested in them. But for the most part, everyone that I have looked at, the ingredients have been keto friendly. So that beats Halo Top right off the bat. Next thing, taste. The vanilla was good, but it was my least favorite of the 4 that I have. These 3 are all in the same playing field. I would give these things a 4 out of 5 on the flavor. They are amazing. This one I'd probably give a 2.5 out of 5, just because I love Halo Top's vanilla bean. I understand that, when we're talking low carb versus keto ice cream, there is going to be a difference, but I would stick to these 3 here that I have. In terms of like overall review on it, guys, I would give this product probably a 4.5 out of 5. It is keto ingredients. The flavors are, on point, and I think if you guys get your hands on some of this Rebel Creamery, you do need to check it out. And if you guys have tried this before, go and leave a comment in the comment section down there and just kind of let me know what you guys thought, what your favorite flavor was. Maybe you have tried a flavor that I have not, so let me know down in the comment section. But with that, guys, it is time to close the video. If you like the video, leave it a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed yet, do me a huge favor, guys. Hit that subscribe button, show some love, and I will see you in the next one.